Aloe vera is a wonder plant, but does it produce any oil? The answer is no. Aloe vera hair oil is basically created by combining aloe gel with a carrier oil. Over time, aloe vera has seamlessly integrated itself into everything we use. Many don't know that aloe vera is the ultimate solution to all hair problems. From preventing hair fall to fighting frizziness, aloe vera does it all. Aloe vera is packed with essential nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and amino acids which are great for your hair health. There are different ways you can use aloe vera for your hair problems. One easy way is using aloe vera oil. Oiling is a great way to make your scalp fuel with the goodness of aloe vera. Let's quickly take you through the easy recipe of preparing aloe vera hair oil at home and then tell you its amazing benefits. How to make aloe vera oil at home. You will need aloe vera plant, coconut oil, take the aloe vera plant and cut the sharp thorns from the sides of the leaf. Cut open the lid from the top and scoop out the aloe vera gel. In a mixer grinder, add the aloe vera pulp. Take out the crushed aloe vera and keep aside. If you don't have aloe vera plant, get natural aloe vera gel from the market. In a bowl, mix aloe vera paste and oil together. Now add coconut oil and crushed aloe vera. Keep stirring. The oil will slowly start turning brown. Let the oil cool down and then strain. Store in a dry bottle. Gently massage so that the scalp soaks in the goodness of the oil. You can apply it once or twice in a week for best results. Keep for 30 minutes and then wash. Follow with regular shampoo and conditioner. Benefits: your hair needs good amount of moisturization. Aloe vera gel has high water content which keeps your hair hydrated and moisturized for long. Frizzy hair breaks more, and to prevent that, you need to condition your hair. Aloe vera works as a natural conditioner for your hair. It has moisturizing properties that retain the natural oils of your scalp and keep your hair soft and smooth. Hair fall is one of the most common issues we all face. Aloe vera is known to prevent hair loss and hair fall. It makes your hair stronger and prevent hair fall. Aloe vera oil adds shine to your tresses and makes them look healthy and shiny. When your scalp isn't clean, there are more chances of suffering from issues like dandruff and itchiness. Aloe vera helps in removing dead layers from your scalp. It works as a natural cleanser and cleans all the dirt and dust accumulated on the scalp. Hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe our channel for more such videos.